Hey guys, going out in the woods to field test the Schrade Primo's knife. So yeah, we're only going in the woods behind my house, so that's all. Right here. That's it. Nothing new. Nothing much. So, like, I think I watched the thing on Tinderless Fire on, Bushcraft on Fire. I think it's this stuff. I'm not sure, because me and my brother chopped up a whole bunch of this with an axe. So, yeah, that's a little tree stand I tried to put up there, but, you know, never works out when you're a kid. Well, yeah, stuff does work out, but, okay. Okay, let's do some whittling. Yeah, some whittling. Okay, let's find a stick. We're gonna find a stick. Oh, alright. Yeah, we're in the woods. I look like a dummy right in this photo. So, get my knife out. Peeling it off with little effort. Awesome. Nice clean cut. Nice clean slices. Whittles or whatever you want to call them. This knife is awesome. I swear. So it's really nice and smooth. Really nice and smooth. Let's do that over. That's the whittling of the Schrade Primo knife. Okay, so what else can what other test can I do? You request the test. Except for batoning and chopping. I will never do that with a folding knife. You guys remember that. I'll do it with a fixed blade, but I won't do it with a folding knife. Okay? So, yeah. You request it, except for batoning and chopping, and I'll do it. Bye, guys. Have a nice day.